everyone, so here I am going to tell you about cell organelles. The cellular components are called cell organelles. These organelles include both membrane and non-membrane bound organelles present within the cell and are distinct in their structure and function. They coordinate and function efficiently for the normal functioning of the cell. A few of them functioning by providing shape and support, whereas some are involved in the locomotion and reproduction of a cell. There are various organelles present within the cell and are classified into three categories based on presence or absence of membrane. So the first one is organelles without membrane. The cell wall, ribosomes and cytoskeletons are non-membrane bound cell organelles. They are present both in the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic. Single membrane bound cell organelles, vacuoles, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum are single membrane bound organelles and they are only present in eukaryotic cells, right? Now the third one is double membrane bound organelles. Nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast are double membrane bound organelles present only in eukaryotic cell. Now first is plasma membrane. Here you can see the structure of plasma membrane, which is also known as cell membrane. Plasma membrane is also termed as cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane. It is a selectively permeable membrane of the cell which is composed by a lipid bilayer and protein. The plasma membrane is present both in plant and animal cell. It functions as the selectively permeable membrane by permitting the entry of selective material in and out of the cell according to the requirement. In animal cell, the cell membrane functions by providing shape and protects the inner content of the cell. In plant cells, cell wall is also present, which provide extra support to the plant cell. Now, next is nucleus. The nucleus is double membrane organelles found in all eukaryotic cell. It is largest organelles which function as the control center of cellular activity and is the storehouse of the cells known as DNA. By structure, the nucleus is dark round, surrounded by a nuclear membrane. It is porous membrane like cell membrane and form a wall between cytoplasm and nucleus. Within the nucleus there are tiny spherical body called as nucleolus. It also carries an essential structure called chromosomes. Chromosomes are thin and thread-like structure which carry another important structure called genes, and genes are the heredity unit of organism. Now the next one is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is present both in plant and animal cell. They are jelly-like substance found between the cell membrane and nucleus. They are mainly composed of water, organic and inorganic compound. The cytoplasm is one of the essential components of cell where all the cell organelles are embedded. These cell organelles contain enzymes mainly responsible for controlling all metabolic activity taking place within the cell and are site of the most of the chemical reaction within a cell. Now, endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous canals filled with fluid. They are of two types. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the cell powerhouse of the cell and it produces ATP, which is known as the energy currency of the cell. Mitochondria contain an outer membrane and inner membrane, and in between they have intramembranous space. Mitochondria contain matrix and it also contains DNA, ribosomes and granules. Now, plastids. Plastids are only present in plants. Plastids are large membrane-bound organelles which contain pigment. Based on the type of pigment, plastids are of three types. First is chloroplast, second is chromoplast, and the third one is leucoplast. Chloroplast is responsible for the green color in the leaves and the plant. Chromoplast is responsible for the color of flowers and it basically provides yellow, orange and red color, and leucoplast is responsible only for the white color. Next is ribosome. Ribosomes are non-membrane bound and important cytoplasmic organelles found in close association with the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are found in the form of tiny particles in a large number of cells and are mainly composed of 2/3 of RNA and 1/3 of protein. They are named as 70S ribosome and 80S ribosome. 70S ribosomes are only found in prokaryotic cell, but 70S and 80S both ribosomes are found in eukaryotic cells. Now, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also termed as Golgi complex. It is membrane-bound organelles which is mainly composed of series of flattened stacked pouches called cisternae. These cell organelles is primarily responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging of protein and lipids to target destination of Golgi apparatus is found within the cytoplasm of cell and is present in both plant and animal cell. Then the microbodies. Microbodies are membrane-bound minute vesicle organelles found in both plants and animal cell. They contain various enzymes and protein and can be visualized only under the electron microscope. Now, the cytoskeleton. It is a continuous network of filamentous proteinous structure that run throughout the cytoplasm. Now, in prokaryotic cells, cilia and flagella is also present. Flagella provides the help in providing the movement of the cell. Thank you so much.